guys, welcome back to the channel. Tell you what, this video is already going in the wrong direction. This was supposed to be a little bit slower and slower smokehouse burger recipe I was going to do tonight. I ain't got time for that. We're doing a faster version of a non-smoked smokehouse burger. So guys, come along and join me for this one. Hey guys, I got, there's 2 half-pound burgers over here from Porter Road, all dry aged beef, awesome stuff, link below. And I've got 3 third-pounders right here that I'm gonna cook up. Depending on who wants the bigger ones, I'll take the big one. The others will eat the smaller burgers. The half-pounders come pre-formed. I did smash them out a little bit more, and I'm gonna go ahead and smash these guys out. Oh yeah. Good air. Hey guys, we're just gonna keep the seasoning real simple. This is some SPG that I made, and I made it a little while ago, so I just kind of want to use it up. I got plenty of some other brands here, but get this seasoned up on one side. We'll season the other half on the grill. That's all we're going to do there for now. Hey guys, we're just going to get started here. I'm just going to toast up some buns here. These are some sweet Hawaiian buns. Ain't going to be on here long. I just want a real light toast on these, so not much. There's a little bit crisp there. I don't really want them black, so we'll go with that. Perfect for me. Got a little brown in there, but that's okay. Nice little toasty bun. Same there. Alright. Let's get these burgers on the grill. Alright, I'm calling it time. Alright, a little bit more seasoning on this side. I'll check back here in about 4 or 5 minutes. Oh, look at that flame kiss, baby. Let's see if I can get this turned over. Hello. Did you settle down? This is definitely a learning curve. Let me get this scooted over a little bit. Some meat moved around a little bit. For some reason, they're set about the same, but it's hotter over here, so that should tell me something about the grill. Alright, we're going to check temps on all of this. We'll check back here in just a minute. Alright guys, let me get some temps on these. Yeah, mine over here needs to come off. But 150, let's put 160, that's a little bit more than what I want it done. Go ahead and pull it up top here. I'm going to turn these burners all the way down over here on this side. Yeah, this one too. Right up top. We're going to let these go for another minute or 2, and then we'll get these going. Alright guys, here we go now. Let's get the operation going for 2 of these. This is some leftover bacon I have. 2 of these we're going to doctor it up a little bit. Some bacon. We still got some bacon, so I'm going to come on in and add a little bit more. As this is some Colby pepper jack cheese. slices there. That smaller one there's for Mama. For the kiddos, we're just doing some cheap old plastic American cheese. Alright. Turn our burners completely off. And come back and just let that melt a minute. Alright folks, let's get these off of here. This is close enough. Well, it's gonna be stubborn. We'll see you in the house and we'll build a burger. Alright guys, let's get started with our bottom bun here. There's a beautiful half-pound burger. I've got some of this just crispy onion fries we're going to top with this. If I can get it to stay on there. Right on top. Just some barbecue sauce. Just going to drizzle some right on top. Beautiful. Top her with her top bun right there. Look at that, guys. Let's get a bite of that. Alright guys, I don't know about all this. Nice, nice, nice. I can't wait to bite into this. Guys, that's probably one of the better burgers I've made in a while. It's delicious. I don't know what I'm going to call it. You'll see it in the video description. It's a Colby Pepper Jack Bacon Cheeseburger Smokehouse. I don't know. Smokeless Smokehouse Burger. Let's get another bite. I really like that. That'd have been even better with a little smoke on it. Still really good on that grill. It gets a nice little char on the gas grill. I don't care what anyone says. I do enjoy cooking on a gas grill. Also prefer Turco, but I do enjoy cooking on a gas grill. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Didn't go exactly as planned, but we come through and we got a good meal. That's a very good burger, and I will do that again. So guys, thank you as always. Hey guys, hit that like button. Helps us out a lot. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And ring that little bell notification to notify you every time I get a new video. Guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.